Hey guys, how's it going? Ahmed here from Ontime Mowing alongside my best friend Ali Mirabi from One Stop Mowing. Both of us in South Brisbane and Logan, guys. Come along as we transform the local Parkinson Aquatic Centre and gym. They gave us a call, they got in contact. Oh, the boy slipped there. And they said, look man, our car park's looking a bit dead and tired, needs some trimming, needs some tidying up, debris need to be cleaned. And then we just want to do a makeover, like put a whole bunch of new plants, shape up the hedges that are there and add some mulch, some nice red, bright popping mulch. So as always, we said, we got you, let's go. And we got it done. Here you go, guys. Enjoy this video. I want to give a quick shout out to a few businesses that really helped along the way. Western Landscape Supplies down in Willawong. Absolutely amazing customer service if you need any sort of landscaping supplies. And they do deliver for free if it's a pretty big amount. Templex Nursery in Algester. She is a pro, over 30 years experience when it comes to plants and planting. Absolutely majestic nursery if you want to go for a walk on a weekend. Lovely lady, go check them out. They provided all the plants. Also, Mega Hire down in Acacia Ridge. They helped us with a mini loader hire for the day. Helped the job so much. So yeah, check out Mega Hire. They do tons of hiring for all different types of industrial equipment and some like a lot lighter, like not so professional. You don't need to be a professional to use it type equipment, if you get what I mean. And Bunnings, Acacia Ridge, all the staff there, absolutely amazing. And of course, a final shout out to all the staff and the people that stopped and spoke to us at Parkinson Aquatic Centre. Absolutely amazing venue, a lot of wonderful patrons there. And seriously, they've got so many facilities. So definitely give them a quick look. Check them out on Facebook. And they do have a gym and kids classes for swimming, etc. Absolutely amazing. I used to go to the gym there before I started gardening. Then I gave up on gym because I am gymming 24/7 in this job. But no, it's an amazing gym. Guys, if you do need any sort of property maintenance, give us a message or a call. I'm talking if you have commercial sort of venues or properties, petrol stations, etc. We can definitely help out with either maintenance or revamping the landscape areas that you have there at an affordable price with an unbeatable service. They were very happy with the job, and I think that speaks a lot to our service and quality, as they are a very well-known venue in Brisbane, and they have a lot of people that go there and rely on them to provide a great service and landscape. So guys, give us a like and a follow, and we look forward to making more videos for you guys. I'm sorry we've been having a bit of a break, but obviously this landscaping job here took us quite a lot of time, quite a few resources. So we're back to normal, with videos and reels next week. Enjoy these after shots. And if you get a chance, go ahead and drive over and check it out in real life. All right, guys, much love. Peace out.
AG, please sponsor me.
Bro, this is like concrete.
Do I keep going? You gotta go a bit more to your left. That looks sick. But that's a vlogging camera.
Yeah, not only that, my